How to make $100 per day on Twitter, coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple $100 a day on Twitter. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to make passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also, you can check out my #1 recommendation in making a full-time income from home down in the description. Alright, so how you can make $100 per day on Twitter. And it's really simple, and we're gonna be doing that step by step right now. So first off, create your Twitter account, right? Very simple. And what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna find people on Twitter that has a specific problems that they're willing to solve, and then we're gonna provide them a solution to that. And where can we find a solution? We go to ClickBank. So if you don't know ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. So we're gonna sell other people's product, right? So that's what we're gonna do here. What I like about ClickBank is that unlike other affiliate marketplace like JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you do have to apply for your affiliate link for that. But on ClickBank, as long as you're a member, you automatically have a affiliate link for that. So if you don't know what an affiliate link is, it's basically a link where people will buy a product through that link, and that link will be credited to you, right? So the seller will know which seller to credit the sale, right? So that's how affiliate marketing works. So it's really simple to understand, actually. So what you're gonna do, go to ClickBank and create an account. So once you create your account, log in, right? And then you're gonna go here on marketplace, right here on the top tab here. So you can see here on ClickBank, there's tons of product that you can promote, tons and tons of product. That's what I like about ClickBank. They're like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. It's more internet marketing space or make money online space. But on ClickBank, you have health, wellness, a relationship, basically anything, right? You can see here home and garden, language, mobile, parenting, reference, self-help, tons of products here, guys. So it's really helpful. So what you're gonna do, so let's say let's think of one problem that most people have, like me. My problem is with my belly fat, right? So I do have a big belly, so I am working out on that. So what we're gonna do, I know that I'm not the only person that has a problem with belly fats, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a product on that one. So let's type the keyword here, belly, and we're gonna do gravity. So gravity is basically how popular the product is, how well it's selling, and how people are actually buying this product. So this is the #1, the flat belly fix. So yeah, so it's really good. So it's really targeted. So let's gonna see on what it's about. Okay, this is the sales page. Okay, and this is the affiliate page. You're gonna see that. All right, so they do have a very good product here. So wow, okay, so we're gonna promote this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click here, promote, right? Promote, and then all right, so now this is your affiliate link. So you're gonna copy that. All right, so this is what you're gonna give to promote. So let's see if it's working. All right, so it's working. So what you're gonna do, right? So you found a product, right? So what you're gonna do, we're gonna look for that on Twitter. So this is the key. This is how you do it. Quotation mark, belly fat, right? So now we're starting a keyword. So we will see now people's posts on Twitter or their tweets that has the keyword belly fat. So sometimes they promote products, sometimes they tell about product, but most of the time they complain about their belly fat, right? So that's what we're gonna do. So belly fat, and then this is the dash, right? https colon and / So you can see here, guys, I hope you can see this clearly. So that means is that we are going to search for tweets that doesn't have a link on them, right? So this is the HTTPS :// with a minus sign here or a dash. That means that, you know, we're going to search for tweets that has the belly fat keyword but doesn't have a link on them, right? So mostly they're very, very good tweets, right? So let's search for that. Let's see if it's working. Boom. So you can see here now that you know, we are now looking for keyword tweets from people that has the keyword belly fat, right? So we're gonna look for people that has problems with it. So like this one, see this, guys? It's fucking sorry, it's difficult to lose lower belly fat. You see this? So he is complaining. So when a person complains about a problem, sometimes they want to do something about it, right? So what you're gonna do is we're gonna message him, but because when your affiliate link, your hop link is so ugly, what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to a service called Bitly, right? So Bitly is a URL link shortener, right? So this is what's Bitly is. So what you're gonna do is that when you create your hop link, right, you copy that, you copy your hop link, and you go to Bitly, right? Bitly.com. You create that, and we're gonna shorten that link. So this is the link now, all right? So we can edit that. So lose belly fat. Now let's see if it's available. It's taken. Let's say lose belly fat. Okay, it's taken fast. No more. I'm just making this stuff up, guys. No more belly fat. All right. All right. So it's available now. So this link, right? So we're gonna copy that and see, and let's check if it's working. Okay, it's working. So what you're gonna do, all right? So we're gonna do is copy this, and then we're gonna message this guy and say, I know how you feel, bro. It really sucks. But I found this and it really helped me. And your affiliate link. See, that's it, guys. So message them, right? And then you know, let them know that well, oh my gosh, I know how you feel, bro. It really sucks to have belly fat, but I found this and it really helped me, right? See, you're just recommending a solution to this specific problem. So we're gonna hit your reply, and boom, that's it. And then, you know, we're gonna keep on continue here. Let's see if we can find some more. Here's one. Belly fat is so unnecessary. Oh my. All right, so we're gonna try to tweet. I hear you. I hate my belly fat too. But I found this and it really helped me. And then the affiliate link. Bye. So this is that, guys. So you keep on doing this, right? Maybe for an hour, or if you don't want a belly fat, we can check for what else specific problems people have. Let's say smoking, right? Smoking. Let's say quit smoking. Let's see if people have having problems with that. Okay. Okay, it's gonna take you a while to look for a specific problem. So I really hope that, you know, okay, most of them are positive, but you know, people do have that kind of problem. But you know what I mean, right? So is it really easy, guys? So find products here that can solve people's problems like weight loss, relationship, right? Money, right? You can do that. So I hope you get the idea, guys. So it's really easy. Go to ClickBank and then go to Twitter and then use this formula, right? So it's colon with the specific keyword or specific problem and the minus sign https forward slash colon 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 forward slash. So this will help you look for those tweets, look for the product, and then use a bit.ly shortener. Alright guys, so I really hope you get involved in this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below and let me know how this went for you guys. So I'm really happy that I'm sharing this with you because I'm actually doing this on my spare time. Like if I have an hour, I do this, right? So it helps build cash flow so that you can have a starting capital, or you can have more spending on ads and on your business, right, or whatever. Right, so let me know in the comment section down below, and if you found value in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If not, give this video a thumbs down. So this is it for today, guys. Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.